Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my January Shop My Stash. And I may look the same, girl, because I just finished filming my massive yearly empties for the year 2025. So I am wearing the same outfit. I'm just filming the intro, girl, of this video. But yes, watch that video if you haven't, of course. It's up on my channel now. But in today's video, we're going to be going through my collection. We're going to be doing a Shop My Stash. As you guys know, I used to do these all the time. I'm thinking I'm going to do this once a month. And we're going to kind of switch out the products. I already made a little space in my drawers for my Shop My Stash makeup, so I'm really excited. And I also do have a new way of picking the themes. I have all of the themes in this jar here that I found at Marshall's. It came in a set of 2, so the other jar holds like a bunch of cute like sponges and stuff. So in this jar I went ahead and added a ton of just ideas and different Shop My Stash themes that we're gonna pick from throughout the year. So for this month, we're gonna go ahead and pick one, and then we're gonna go into my collection. We're gonna get to pick out the products that go with the theme, and then we're gonna see what we get for next month. So I will also have a playlist for my Shop My Stash for this year, so definitely check out the description box below. See the product things that you've been missing out on. I also have my socials down there as well to keep up in person what's going on with me if you care. But yes, if you want to see the theme for this month and the products that I pick out, just keep on watching. So why don't we go ahead and pick one out, okay? I was gonna do it off camera, but I'm like, girl, let's just do it on camera now that I'm like have my whole full face on, okay? So again, there's a jar. It has a cutesy little bow on it that is so cute. So let's go ahead and really shake it up. Let's see what gets picked out. Let's see what this says. Ooh, Elf Cosmetics. Yes. Okay, we can do that, girl. And a couple of the a couple of the themes in here are kind of what is it, repeated, like Juicy Couture, Barbie, Pink Picks. I did mix them in because I love those things, so I really do want to kind of mix it up a bit. But yeah, so today's theme is Elf Picks, so yes, super exciting. Girl, I have not been in my palette drawer in a while. I'm trying to remember if I even have Elf. I know I do somewhere. I like this drawer here. Definitely not Elf. I definitely am in need of a declutter sesh. I need to do that soon, girl. I have Elf in here. Let me see, girl. Let me try to find it because I don't remember. Color Spell. A lot of AOA Studio, Wet n Wild. Okay, finally I found 2 Elf palettes. Girl, I don't know what happened to the rest of my Elf things. I know I have a green one. Let me go ahead and sculpt in here and try to find them, but these are the only 2 that I found so far. And 2 more. So we're gonna pull all 4 of these Elf mini palettes. So I have a few, as you can tell. Honestly, I can't believe I don't have any more palettes, but these are all the bite-sized shadow palettes. We have this one here, which is beautiful. It's in the shade Pumpkin Pie. We have this beautiful blue one in the style Acai. We have this one in jalapeno, I believe. Yes, so cute. And this like vampy smoky one in the truffles style. I'm gonna go to this section first, and let's see if we can pick out the, I don't know, let's see if they have even a face palette from Elf. Paris Hilton. Girl, I didn't even know I had this. Okay, we need to go through these drawers. And no Elf in sight. Okay, this drawer. We have Metamorphosis in here. We have Trend Beauty. Yeah, no Elf in here as well. That's kind of crazy. Okay. Next, I know for sure I have Elf Cream Blushes. Now, it's just about finding them. I just cleaned out these drawers. Now, the fall of me is that I did not declutter. Okay, they're right here. I have these 3 Elf blushes. So let's go ahead and pick one. We have this one here. This is in the shade Suave Mauve. We have the shade Bold Face Lilac. And then we have this pinky one in the shade Pretty Pinky Promise. Which one should I pull? All of them are beautiful. I kind of want the purpley one and the brown one. Yeah, I kind of want this one instead. I'll just take the shade Suave Mauve on a bold face lilac. This one's beautiful. I'll take that. Yeah, and I think that, no, is this e.l.f.? I forgot these are also e.l.f. These are so pretty, the Halo Glow Beauty ones. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all 3 of these as well. We have like my glowy products. We don't have my e.l.f. putty primer anymore, but let's see here. So this is my backup drawer. Nope. We have my highlights in here. I think I do have an e.l.f. one actually that I've had for a long time. I just need to find it, unless I decluttered it and I forgot. But I could have sworn I had an e.l.f. highlight. I think it's this one right here. Okay, this is my e.l.f. highlight. This one's so cute, and it's in the shade White Gold. I've had this one for a long time, but it's just so beautiful. Look at that shine. It's just stunning. Again, in White Gold. It's so beautiful. So we're gonna pull her. Next, we have blushes. Now, I'm not sure if I have an e.l.f. blush, to be honest. e.l.f. Let me see. I have Juicy Couture, of course. What is this? More Juicy Couture. ColourPop. Do I really not have e.l.f.? And usually with these videos, I'll kick myself because I'll remember last minute, like, oh my god, I have this and that and this. I don't think I have an e.l.f. blush. I don't think so. This is Believe Beauty. We have, what's this one? Revolution. This is Beauty Creations. Girl. Wet n Wild. A ton of LA colors. I don't have an e.l.f. blush. What blush should we pull then? This one? I kind of want a tangerine one. One of these two, or the Believe Beauty is really pretty as well. Yeah, that's kind of sad. I don't have e.l.f. Why don't we pull this Revolution blush? This was one that came in an advent calendar if you guys saw my unboxing. It looks really pretty, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull her. And lastly, we have this drawer, which I am sad. I don't think I have an e.l.f. bronzer either. Girl. I used to have one, and I think I may have decluttered it because it was a little too, like, old. I know for sure I have a cream e.l.f. product. Where are you, girl? This one here. So we'll pull the cream Halo Glow Beauty one, the contour one, in the shade Medium Tan. But also, I didn't pick out a highlight, girl. I forgot my highlight drawer. Okay. Where are you? We have the e.l.f. I believe this is the only e.l.f. product that I have in here. Another Halo Glow highlight in the shade Rose Quartz. And I think, yeah, that's the only e.l.f. I have in here. So this is what we have so far. We have my 3 Halo Glow creams. We have the e.l.f. one in the mauve. What is this called? Camo liquid blush. And then we have this Revolution blush and the highlight. So we don't have a actual bronzer from e.l.f. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this Wet n Wild Live Laugh Hug Care Bears bronzer. This one's so good, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull her. All right, so moving right along to lip balms. I know for a fact that I have e.l.f. lip balms in here, so I'm gonna have to scour my drawer and find those. Okay, because I know for sure, for a fact, that we have an elf in here somewhere. We have any cosmetics. It may be at the bottom. I'm trying to remember what they look like. Oh, it's right there. Yes. Go ahead and pull this. It's like a little like droopy, like it's coming out of the packaging. But we have the Glow Reviver lip oil, and this one here is in the shade Pink Quartz. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Next we have lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. Now, do I have elf in here? Let me really focus because I don't remember. I'm trying to remember if I even buy elf. I think I do buy elf liquid products, right? Let me get in here and go through my things because I'm really having a hard time remembering what I have in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this ColourPop liquid lipstick, part of their Haunted Mansion collection. I think that's what I'm gonna pull. And why not, let's pull this Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting liquid lipstick. I love me a good nude, so I'm gonna pull both of these. So we have lip gloss. This one's gonna be tough because I'm trying to remember if I have an elf lip gloss in here. Oh girl, just kind of like jam-packed in here. Elf, let's see. All right, for now I'm gonna pull this Revolution Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Clear. It was clear. These are so good. I'm living for these pout bombs, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull her. So came back to the lip balm drawer. Apparently I have this elf Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. This one looks so pretty as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull her. It looks like I completely forgot to pull a setting spray. I know for a fact I have, yes, my elf Dewy Coconut Mist, but I also have this product here, the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Next we have my powder drawer, and we have an elf powder. Let's see, Dewy Studio Wet n Wild Beauty Creations. What is this? La Mercerie. We have these here, Dewy Studio ones. LA Colors. What is this? Covergirl. I have quite a few of these Pro Luxe powders. What is that? Milk Makeup, Beauty Creations, Dewy Studio, She Glam, Smoke Mirrors. Ooh, completely forgot I bought this one from the Dollar Tree. We have a couple of these Revolution translucent ones. This one's really good from Temu. Actually, I'm gonna pull this one from Temu, and this is the O2O pressed powder in 2. I remember really loving this, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull her. And why don't we do a loose, well actually I kind of want to try this one as well. No, we're not doing new makeup, never mind. Let's do one more powder. I really do want to use this one more as well, the Beauty Creations Oh Honey pressed powder. Next we're going into my brows. Do I have a brow from elf? Let's see. So we have LA Girl, LA Colors, Iony Cosmetics, Dewy Studio, LA Colors again, LA Colors again, She Glam Revolution. We have She Glam again, LA Colors. What is that? It was A2O, Dewy Studio, LA Colors, Iony Cosmetics, overall Covergirl, another LA Colors, Mary Claire. We have another Dewy Studio one. This is Temu, Dewy Studio. And lastly in here we have another A2O and the LA Colors Browy Wowie. Interesting picks. Okay, I really did love using this one when I took this one to Vegas. So I'm gonna pull the LA Girl Arch Envy Brow Pencil in the shade Soft Black. And I'm also, why not, gonna pull this Covergirl one. This is their Clean Fresh Brow Filler Pomade Pen. And this one's a goodie too. I think it's a dark brown. Brow sets, which for a fact I know I don't have any elf ones. So I'm gonna pull this Covergirl Clean Fresh Brow product in clear. Okay, next we are in my liner drawer. because I don't really have a lot of elf right now in my collection. We have like Revolution, AOA Studio. What is this? La Mercerie. What is that? Let's see. Oh, Revolution again. La Mercerie, AOA Studio again. Other colors. I definitely really did enjoy my elf liner so much. I haven't repurchased it. Yeah, it looks like I haven't repurchased. So I'm going to take my Covergirl Exhibitionist Lash Enhancing Liquid Liner in black. We're going to use... We should have just done a full face of Covergirl, girl. This is Covergirl Perfect Point Plus ink. Okay, and you won't believe me, but I don't think I have it in elf mascara. Oh my goodness. I just decluttered some of my old mascaras. No. Elf, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this Essence Lash Princess. Next we have primers. For sure I have a ton of elf primers. We have this one, we have this one here, these two, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull both somewhere. Oh, we also have this here, Stay Cool Stick. Maybe more in there. I have my elf camo CC cream, and you guys know I love. For foundation, again, I just used up my CC cream, so I don't have another elf, but I am gonna pull the She Glam Complexion Pro because this one's so good, and it's in the shade Honey. Okay, so that's all the makeup that we have so far. Alright girls, so there is my elf Shop My Stash drawer, my setting sprays, my highlight, my palettes are back here all stacked up, well, all like lined up for me to use. I have my elf liquid products, my primers. So again, I didn't have like a full face vibes of elf, but we just did what we had to do, okay girl? So I didn't apparently have a lot of products to repurchase. I didn't realize, but yeah, I'm really glad that we're finally doing Shop My Stash. What would you have added? Do you have any elf products that you love from your collection? Let me know in the comments down below. So girl, that was all of the products for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed. I cannot wait to do a look using all of the new goodies. And again, there is a playlist which is gonna be down below for this year's Shop My Stash. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to hype the video if you like it, of course, and if you could like and subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.